Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is VphoneGAGA. In this tutorial, I'm going to show the process of installing VphoneGAGA application inside of an Android 15 device. Here you can see I have installed Xiaomi HyperOS version 2, which comes with Android version 15. So you also will be able to install and run VphoneGAGA application inside of this OS with following this tutorial. You also will be able to use this method to install VphoneGAGA application in any of Android 15 device. So let's start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay friends, first of all you need to download the VphoneGAGA application from the given links in the description of this video. Then you need to follow this tutorial and install this application on your phone. When it comes to this screen, you need to connect your device into a Wi-Fi network. So if you don't have the access to Wi-Fi network, you can turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot from another device and connect to that network. Okay guys, here you can see I have connected to a Wi-Fi network. Then go back to your VphoneGAGA application and you need to turn on developer options from your settings. And actually when it comes to here, you need to find your device settings manually, and then you need to find your build number. Then you need to open your developer options. Here you can see we have successfully activated the developer option, and then you need to go back to your VphoneGAGA application and click on the turn on wireless debugging option. And when it comes to this screen, you need to find USB debugging on inside of this developer options, and you need to enable this USB debugging option. Okay guys, now I have successfully turned on the USB debugging option. As the next step, we need to click on wireless debugging and turn on the wireless debugging. Then VphoneGAGA will told you to turn your screen into the split screen mode, or if you can get this is up to into floating window option, you can continue with this floating window option. I'm continuing with this split screen method. Now click on this button and tap hold on your app icon. Then click on this button. Okay guys, now we have get our applications into split screen mode, and now I'm going to open my wireless debugging option once again and go to this pair device with pairing code option. Here I got the pairing code which I need to enter into the VphoneGAGA. You need to enter that code into VphoneGAGA application and click on confirm. Now you can close your split screen and click on confirm. Then click on success and launch VphoneGAGA option. Okay guys, now we have successfully installed our VphoneGAGA application inside of this HyperOS Android 15. Then I can launch this ROM. Here you need to wait till completing of the ROM installation process. Okay friends, let's try to install Magisk root on VphoneGAGA application. First of all, you all are required to open your SYS settings of VphoneGAGA application and go to root option. In here there is an option called root. You need to enable it and click on restart later option. Now click on the back button and go to Magisk option. Here you need to enable the Magisk root also and click on the restart now option on VphoneGAGA. Now you all can import your Magisk application to your VphoneGAGA application from this import option. In your case, you can download that APK file to your phone and import it through this files option. But in my case, I have already installed Magisk Manager on my phone, and I'm going to import that APK file into VphoneGAGA. Let's try to open our Magisk application. Now click on install option and allow to the permissions. Turn on this option and click on next. Now select delete install and click on let's go option. Let's wait till completing of the installation process. Don't click on reboot after completing of this installation process. You need to click on the home button and go to SYS settings once again. Here you can find root option on VphoneGAGA and disable root. Just click on restart now option. Okay guys, when it comes to here, you can see we have successfully installed Magisk root on VphoneGAGA, and also we have successfully able to install this VphoneGAGA application on an Android 15 device. So with that, I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.